Strong Mag. 6.1 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, Tonga, on Sunday, June 18, 2023 at 3:04 a.m. local time, according to the GeoNet, NZ, Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand reported. Updated, June 18, 2023 15:20 Greenwich Mean Time 21 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here, quakes in Tonga, ʻEUA, TONGATAPU. Strong magnitude 6.1 earthquake at 33 kilometers depth 2. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.